Today I'm cooking a simple dish for lunch, salted egg seafood tofu. This recipe is for 4 to 5 servings. The ingredients needed are 500 grams of seafood tofu, 5 stems of curry leaves, 2 pieces of red bird eye chili, 4 tablespoons of tempura flour. I am using Goki tempura flour from Thailand, but you can use any tempura flour. 3 pieces of cooked salted egg yolk. Hard-boil the salted egg, leave it to cool and extract the yolk. 25 grams of butter, 2 cloves of garlic chopped, 1.5 tablespoons of cooking oil, and I will be using about 800 grams of cooking oil for deep frying. The full list of the ingredients and the measurements are in the show more link. Start with breaking the salted egg yolk into smaller pieces with a fork. The finer the texture, the better. Alright, this is okay. Cover it and leave it aside. Next, prepare the oil for deep frying. I have about 800 grams of cooking oil in the pan. Switch on the heat and set the time for 8 to 10 minutes so that oil will be hot enough. Meanwhile, let's prepare the other ingredients. For the seafood tofu, cut open the packet and put all in the basin. Rinse it once or twice before cooking. After 8 minutes, check if the oil is hot enough. Put the wooden cooking chopstick in the oil to check for bubbles. This means that the oil is really hot and ready for deep frying. Next, sprinkle the tempura flour over the seafood tofu to coat it. This will absorb the excess moisture from the tofu to minimize oil splashes. Some of them are still wet. Sprinkle more flour. This should be done right before putting the tofu in the hot oil. Now we can fry it. Use the same wooden cooking chopstick to pick up and put the seafood tofu in the hot oil one by one. Avoid pouring the whole bowl of seafood tofu in the oil, as it can cause serious oil splashes. Fry all the seafood tofu in one batch. After 2 minutes, all the seafood tofu are cooked and golden brown at the bottom. Flip them to cook the other side as well. Use the chopstick to flip it one by one to avoid missing a tofu. All done, continue to fry for 1.5 minutes or until brown and crispy. Do not overcook the seafood tofu as it can expand and burst in the hot oil. After 1.5 minutes, all the seafood tofu are crispy and golden brown. Lovely, remove them all from the oil. Switch off the heat and rest them in the cooling rack. Next, fry the curry leaves. In the same pan with hot oil, put in 3 stems of curry leaves and fry them for about 20 seconds. We want them to have a crispy texture in the dish. Alright, remove them from the oil and leave it aside. Next, prepare the salted egg coating. In another pan, switch on the heat. Add in 1.5 tablespoons of cooking oil. Wait for about 45 seconds for the oil to get hot. Add in the garlic and stir fry for 1.5 minutes or until garlic releases its aroma. No need to cook until crispy or brown. After 1.5 minutes, add in cut bird eye chili and 2 stems of curry leaves. Stir for about 30 seconds. Add in butter and melt it. Once the mixture is really hot, add in the salted egg. Continue to stir until the mixture forms up a lot of bubbles. Switch off the heat and immediately add in the fried seafood tofu. Mix until the tofu are well coated with the salted eggs mixture. Add in the fried curry leaves and put a little aside for garnishing later on. Stir to mix and it is ready. Very simple and easy. Now I can dish out and serve. Garnish with a little bit of fried curry leaves. Golden brown and crispy fried seafood tofu coated with salted eggs. So perfect. Let's eat! Oh wow, it is very delicious. The seafood tofu is tasty, crispy on the outside, coated well with delicious salted eggs mixture. There is a lovely fragrance of curry leaves and butter. This will go very well with rice. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.